Hello guys, and welcome back. Thank you for tuning into my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about brand new vocabulary words that you must know in order to learn English. But before we get started, guys, as always, please like my page and hit that subscribe button for me if you have not already done so. And as always, it would be greatly appreciated. So let's get right into this lesson with brand new vocabulary words. Don't skip the video, guys, because I'm going to be giving you some visuals along with this explanation of these vocabulary words today that you must know in English. So in the other video, we talked about nouns that refer to people, places, and things. Today, we're going to be talking about pronoun vocabulary words in English. What is a pronoun? A pronoun are vocabulary words that replaces the noun verbs. Here's an example of a noun that's being replaced by a pronoun word. My name is Mitchell, so he. That's a pronoun. I'm a he. If your name is Mary, that's a noun. And the pronoun that replaces the vocabulary word Mary is she, feminine. He, masculine. She, feminine. So we're going to go into some brand new vocabulary words that you must know in English. They're called pronouns. So let's look at the word in the first person. I. It's a pronoun word. I. Here's an example. I love pizza. Do you love pizza? Most everybody loves pizza. Here's a pronoun word that you must know, vocabulary you must know. Me. Let's use this in a sentence. Me. This is a difficult one. Me and my friends are going skating. Here's another one. Mine. Mine. Let's use this one in a sentence. Those books are mine. So let's look, that's the first person. Let's look at the second person in the pronoun words that you must know in English. You, your, and yours. Let's use the pronoun word, vocabulary word you in a sentence. You must study your English. Your friends are very happy today. And the word yours. How can we use yours in a sentence? Let me see. Is this book yours? It's a question. Is this book yours? So those are the second person. These are words in the second person language. You, your, and yours. Let's look at the third person pronoun vocabulary words in English that you must know. We, us, and ourselves. Let's use these three pronouns in English in a sentence. We. We, I always like to say you and me, we must study in order to learn English. Us. Let's look at the pronoun word us in a sentence. Today, let us go to the gym. And ourselves. Let's use the pronoun word ourselves in a sentence. We took care of that problem ourselves. We did it ourselves. Do you understand, guys? Practice and learn these pronoun vocabulary words in English. He, masculine. She, feminine. I, me, and mines in the first person. In the second person, you, your, and yours. And in the third person, which is talking about two or more people, we, you and me, two people. Us could be two people or more. And ourselves, many people. Talking about the third person. Well, that's the lesson today, guys. Please review this exercise often and practice so you can get a better understanding of these vocabulary words I just went over with you in English. Look at the subtitles. If you do not understand any of the words that I am speaking, pause the video, Google the word, as I always try to explain to you if you do not understand the word that I am speaking. And you can also use a dictionary, an English dictionary, to translate the word that you may not understand. But that's the lesson today, guys. I hope you guys go out there and have a great day today. Please visit me on my next video. Don't miss it. I'm still on my beginner video series for my brand new beginners who are learning English. Again, like my page. Please hit that subscribe button if you have not already subscribed, so you will not miss the next exciting English exercise. Have a great day, guys. Bye.